Y'all gonna indulge me right now because it looks like snakes are coming out of my head. The vision was achieved. Also, can we marvel at what's happening with my hair? Remember when it started? And like little bitty, I ever see it, you know what I mean. And now, there's a pen in there, and look, I don't know where it is, and I'm not going in to get it because I'm just very excited. Oh, my hair's still on the top of my head, but y'all, look it. I now know what is the worst insult I can give to someone because I said it to Democratic political operatives. And here it is. And I am Guyanese from New York. My tongue bad so. You know what? The worst insult I will tell a person, and this is when I'm really not happy. Mr. Rogers would be ashamed of you. You are horrible neighbors. And it's true. When you decide to overpower, control, and ignore people's requests just to be kind of histrionic and rude and trying to be emotional and overbearing to exert control, you're being a bad neighbor, and Mr. Rogers would be ashamed of you. Not going in to get it because I was jumping. And now, from New York, my tongue bad so. From New York, my tongue bad so. From New York, my tongue bad so. Looks like snakes are coming out of my ass.